Bestie Shepherd Elementary now have a relaxing location where they can learn. The school has a kid-friendly room where they can use new technology like iPads. WDEF News Chief Photographer David Moore has another example of what's right with our schools.
Welcome to Bestie Shepherd's Think Tank.
The Leadership Think Tank is a creative room designed to have students to think creatively and innovatively.
Forward, backwards, right, and left.
Our mission here is to have students, as one of our students said, is to have students to take their brain to the extreme, to think outside of the box, and to be able to take ownership of their education.
Oh,
Okay.
I did it. Look at that. She made 3. Thanks.
You're welcome.
It's a one-to-one room, meaning that each student will have their own device. They're also encouraged to work collaborative, but they will use technology. They'll use Skype to Skype with local business leaders in our area. They'll also use coding apps so they can learn algorithm and also how to code different programs and even how to recode programs.
We designed this room to be a shared space, a place where students are not confined to desk, but are in group settings that are comfortable. They're going to be able to be collaborative and creative and imaginative. We wanted this room to feel well designed, to have an encouragement of creativity when you walked in, to just sense it immediately with our color choices. We scientifically chose orange and blue because they are the colors that spur on creativity with the brain.
We just want all students to know throughout Hamilton County that our goal as educators is to help them to become the very best that they can be, so that when they leave each school and each grade that they're prepared for their career, and also they're also prepared to enter into college or any type of training that they would like to do.
If you've got an idea for a story, go to our website, WDEF.com. Look for the icon that says What's Right with Our Schools, and you'll find a link to post your story idea.
Well, it's time to check in now with